A builder, a vision that stands tall in the crowd. From corner to corner, his impact is clear. Chasing the darkness, banishing fear. Banishing fear. Look to the highway, listen to the street. A blue.
Let's forget about our political affiliations. Let's put aside our political differences. Although today we are going to be talking to a political activist. The man we are going to be talking to has managed to build a hospital, clinics throughout the country, lodges, schools, and he is none other than Kadoma-based Jimi Muduvuri. Hello viewers, my name is Andrew Neshamba. In the heart of Mashonaland West Province, one name is synonymous with resilience, philanthropy, and raw ambition: Jimi Muduvuri. From humble beginnings to a towering figure in business and community service, this is the untold journey of Kadoma's own Jimi Muduvuri.
Jimi Muduvuri. Beyond the market, beyond the sick bed, a future is written, a new path is led. The school bell is ringing, loud and so clear, nurturing bright minds year after year, giving the children the tools they require to reach for the stars and climb ever higher. Knowledge is power, the gift he bestowed, lighting the pathway on life's winding road.
All is now set for the official opening of the Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing in Kadoma. The date is yet to be announced soon. The School of Nursing has been named in honor of the First Lady, who serves as Zimbabwe's ambassador for health and child care. The program emphasizes accessible education targeting young people, women, and marginalized individuals who might otherwise lack training opportunities. It represents a hybrid approach to a healthcare training in Zimbabwe, combining official health administration, public-private partnerships, and community empowerment. Its core purpose or primary objective is to train nurse aides, general nurses, and community health workers to address critical staffing shortages across rural and urban clinics. The program emphasizes accessible education targeting young people, women, and marginalized individuals. Beyond basic medical knowledge, the curriculum stresses primary health care, maternal and child health, and community outreach. The school functions as a pilot framework where private patrons and business figures, such as Comrade Jimi Muduvuri, provides infrastructure, funding, or facilities, while the First Lady's initiatives and Ministry of Health guidelines ensure administrative structure. The trainees receive hands-on experience in patient care, hygiene, basic emergency response, and vital monitoring.
My name is student nurse Vanessa Mero. I would like to thank the First Lady and Mr. Muduvuri for giving us an opportunity to learn at this new school, Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing. As you can see, we are the first group, the first 20 pioneers of the private sector. We are thankful for this opportunity.
I teach the first group, this is Papa Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing. Actually, we are very happy. Even the services at Panapa, we are so grateful. And it's Dr. Muduvuri, the First Lady, because it had this opportunity. We never thought to teach us one more Jimbo, but because of them, Tiripano.
Student nurse lapha at Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing. Isikolo lesi first private school ukuvula lapha eZimbabwe. So siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi sibe lapha ngokuthola amathuba njengalawo ukuthi sifunde sibe ngamanesi.
Nditho Tafatso kunkunokwa. ndiri pano paDr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing, the first private nursing in Zimbabwe. Tinotenda nechikoro chatakavakirwa because takawana opportunities ekudzidza.
Sanibonani, ibuzalami nguNombelo Mpofu, kusuka eSporting. One of the pioneers away, Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa from Matebele.
The pilot seeks to equip raw youth with recognized skills, enabling them to gain employment within regional clinics, private health facilities, or home-based care networks.
Doing our study on the computers. We've just revised the curriculum for nurses, and it has been found necessary that they should be literate in computer skills. The whole world is going digital. So we invite somebody who is a resource person who comes here and sits with them and explains to them the basics of how to use a computer, so that when they get to the clinical area, they are able, to use the day book. They can give information there and there when they are asked questions about patients, such as patients' numbers and so on. And besides, if they have to communicate, like this time we have telemedicine, there are conditions that you get on the computer which they have to know about, and they can communicate with their friends or colleagues, and get opinion. So basically, our students have to know programs such as the basic programs. First and foremost, they've got to know how to use a computer. So we teach them how to turn it on, how to, find the program that they want to use, but we want them to be competent on programs such as the Word, because this is the one that is used in the ward mostly. And then we want them also to use PowerPoint, just so that they go for presentations elsewhere and they are competent with the PowerPoint presentations. Then we also want them to be able to use programs like the spreadsheet, and this is the Excel program. So it's just those basic programs that we want them to learn, but we want them to keep in touch with the whole world really, and not be left besides, because this is, behind, because this is a digital age. The other thing that we, find useful with regards to computers is that if, for instance, we want the latest demonstrations on procedures, we can easily just come, group around here, and go to YouTube and find exactly that procedure that we're talking about.
Mr. Jimi Muduvuri is known for funding and constructing healthcare facilities, including clinics and the Muduvuri Pan-African Referral Hospital in Kadoma, aimed at improving local access to medical care. He is a prominent member of the ruling party ZANU-PF and serves on its central committee. He is an outspoken supporter of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration and its national development initiatives such as Vision 2030.
Jimi Muduvuri.
Pane chikoro cheDr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing. Shure changu ini sa Muduvuri. Ndine hospital pano. Ndine hospital pano, and ndinavaka clinics throughout. Ndogara ndakataurira vanhu kuti pataikura isu kuchikoro ndaita grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 5. Vaikona kubvunza kuti teacher, who is Vasco da Gama? Sister John Rhodes. Saka zvose izvi izvi takazvitaridza kuti taishandiswa navarungu. We cannot keep on thinking of Sister John Rhodes, Vasco da Gama. That is saka isi madhare edu paenda kuhondo, they liberated us now. What liberated us tatira namchibana muduri. Taliberatwa pachi. Second chimurega chakauya sei from first to second. Saka isina ndopatakaona kuti no vanhu vaitisa zvabasa rose, those are vanhu vakatikolonaiza isu kuti tite vanhu vavo. Saka ini ndavaka chipatara ichi ndiri Pan-African Hospital. Norubatso rwangu ndiko ndakataurira vanhu ndakabatsirwa naPresident Mnangagwa. I to think that But it's part of liberation. I was liberated. Second, I liberate when now I'm a better person. Now I'm a businessman. But I know stuff coming up here. I was 25. But I'm going to run the shot. President Mnangagwa in South Africa. That's okay. His first message to me, he said to me, welcome back home. Welcome back home. And yes, that Baba president now. When the kind of 2005, because of 2017, because of 2018, now then from up to date. But now you are welcome back home, you are fit. Yes. Right now, you are fit, you can start to do your business. Saka that answer you can start doing business. Saka yapa kunadawa putha ini mputo. I want to give you money. Money makani batsira. Wakati no. Ampana pandaka kunyora chikweret. Inami yepi now you can do your business. Saka I had to think myself da kutabasa rangu. Da fit. Maria yakandi papa iramba futi. Then I had to say to myself, Mnangagwa is one of the liberators. As a war veteran, a freedom fighter, I must now think I must bring back in a way different. Mnangagwa and Batsira, I must assist my fellow. I was about to be cinema, but today I've got my 2 legs now. I can walk. My business, I can walk up. She come in using my clash. She come in using my clash, but I can do my business. So I had to say to myself, I must now starting to do health to work. Once I kurapiwa, then I had to think more. Kuti Mnangagwa Mnangagwa now bangundi banani undo ngwayewe baba na Robert Mugabe Joshua Ngomo yebeti chitepo ndizo. That's the reason why I say to myself kuchukuru tesi wacho na Robert first but kama sisi John those names we want to get them rid of, but Taku remember, Taku Vakamajini, Chipatara, who remember my liberators, Joshua Ngomo Clinic, Dagavaka, Yagapuma, VP, Robert Mugabe Clinic, Yapera, 2 for instance, Pam Roberts, every table to do Wakakumani Calent. Springy, the running story to Novaka. Simon was in the Kushanda Bako Center. Second, Dr. Mnangagwa. The Dr. Mnangagwa clinic, Janda Katanga na eating Mnangagwa Pandakazon. Because I said to my team, Kutama Zangu, which I'm dealing to Mnangagwa, Zimbabwean, I must do something. Mr. Rabo Kuti, he assisted me to do it today. The Wandawaka clinic, not a Kusaba. What she was going. It is my children so can be Maria Bapang, Akayari 2. That was like 2005. That's how much I president. That was 2005. So when I got Kurirain, I must build a clinic, you know, to Dr. Mnangagwa clinic. Was a message. First lady, she said to me, Muduvuri Marenda Kupati in school. Do not want to be sudden Monday when you don't ever use this money to the business. He marry, you will rap you. That was on Saturday, 2005. Second, it was on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, when I couldn't take South Africa. Second, that one now, there's no work clinic here. I'm remembering here. I must do something. Pandaka cleaning to Bandaita Mjiba, one with Mjiba Papu, the Papa the best, Chase the Parari Papu, Sakanikat in Dorita clinic, Pano remembering Mjiba Wong when I get Niswakan Tina, our first lady today. Saka, It's history. My clinic, I'm now still building my clinics. And I'm naming my clinics Maritime Liberations. Lubengula Clinic. I got a foundation in Lubengula Kakubi Neanda. That foundation you young power free. The Andoshan's a disability zone. Say disabled you. Doshanza Neanda Kakubi Lubengula Foundation. The nation is the other one. Because when I and I look at Gulana Kakubi, do a kangaroo reaching Kutanga. Secondary foundation and do it and Chipama. I use that end and I look at Gulana. Then, now, second Jimoring, which I never actually Chakati Pakutin today. Saka, now, Tawakama Clinic. Hospital, hospital. My clinic is in Hopatum Gabe to refresh. Second, Jose, who remember the former president, former vice president, Joshua Ngomo, who I remember by Joshua Ngomo 1987. Pani discord Zalani Ziprasa son. But the last Dopogarapas. But now, let's come up with a vision. Tipe the Hondo says, the Vitamin Unit, Salan is up. Look at that street as the Kawaka Chusongo Clinic. So Kuana Kurapua Manilu, but Chusongo Clinic, Wanda. Which could be the president Mnangagwa to remember what Taka Pakutu is at Tiranambo were liberated. So on top of that now, the school of missing. Davra Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa school of missing. Davra's courage, Dr. Dennis was missing. She is considered change, Daka in the master. Mashoka, I can do them, Bamang. So I could, let's say, in Jajin South Patara. Vacan Tibudas Akazama. Jose General Castarisa today. To Bandatasa Kutino. Amem Mnangagwa. She's a mother. Today she's the mother of the nation. By then she was not the mother of the nation. That's what she was, a single mother. In Warimbu and Debuyang. But she did a long something in Zadoti Neshamba. Let me stand up more. Then as I can walk. It's really better. Not too much. Neshamba. I can walk. I can do my business. I can walk. Executive. Go famba, Chana song. Basaram. I can do my business. Go famba, Chwana Basaram Pana. And look at a social down. Look at Palpam hospital. Palpam Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa school of nursing. Faba little Palpam. Pakamina say. Joseph. Look at the Second Republic, President Mnangagwa, Ugona Kwao, Ugona Kwao, President Mnangagwa, Ugona Kwao, year. Saka Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa, to go to him another second intake. I took Torres, you know. Our second intake, in September, I was discussing the family limits on one, the principal Chitisu. Ta surrender the Zimbabwe accommodation, you have to have a big accommodation to accommodate Vana. Vana, no matter to 50, we have got the rooms to accommodate. And the school is big. And we are looking forward to put it. Van was will to get in Canada when in the vine. Change it out. That's what we are saying. Sakatenda, our second republic. The President Mnangagwa was Zimbabweans. Sakutenda. Test Takawira and Toss in Ugona Kwao. Putting that with 0-2030. Majitonga. In about 2030, vision young news and Takatanga. You can see this school of nursing from Muduvuri Panafrican Hospital. Now, I is going to tell you to move for Robert Mugabe Clinic. By 2030, then I paid the Western Irish people, the running story, Asian liberators, Teta Peter Baka. Second, talk to Zimbabwe, kuti takasapota nehurumende neuwandu hwedu hwose kuti President Mnangagwa ngavarambe varipo. Hapana mwatoda ma-MP tinomada, makansela tinomada, asi munhu watakadai isu kunyanyisa ndiva Mnangagwa. Because hakuna nyika inogona kuva nezvatiri kuita izvi kusina peace. Muno muZimbabwe mune peace, mune stability, tranquility. Hatina unogona kuva nezvinhu izvozvo zvokwava Mnangagwa president wenyika. Saka tiri kuti President Mnangagwa toda kutendai nepeace yamunayo. Vanhu vemuZimbabwe zvino masa vanhu vanga South Africa vakauya nouwandu hwavo hwose. Tinavo iye zvino vari paminitra pabulazana, vari kufara, vari munyika yavo, vari kutodemba vamwe kuti takaenda kunodiko. Saka toda kutenda maZimbabweans. Zimbabwe iri kutapira zvichipfuudza President Mnangagwa. Saka tiri kuti isu tokumbira Mwari nemudzimwe nyika vana Nubhengura nana Nehanda kuti vape makore okurarama. Because Zimbabwe zvairi nhasi nezvainga iri zuva zvasiyana. Mnangagwa anoratidza kuti vanoenda nesu kuKenani. Yes, tina vamwe vanogona kufunga zvavanofunga, hativarambidzi. Isati basa rinazvo. Tinoziva kuti vanhu vamuZimbabwe tinoziva kuti vaMnangagwa vanhu veZimbabwe takabatana. Havamboda kuhwa kuti kuno unofungira umwe munhu kuva umwe munhu kana kutadzisa munhu bhizinesi rake vaMnangagwa vasvika. Vanoda kuona tichifara tichita zvedu. MuZimbabwe muno mune peace yakasimba. Saka toda kuti isu President Mnangagwa peace yamunayo tinoiziva tisu maZimbabweans. Vakabva kuSouth Africa, Your Excellency, vari kufara nevanodemba vakutendai kuti musawa vakauya vese makati welcome back home. Vana venyu vanangu tinavo pano paminitra plus vari kufara, takatova zvimwe zvokuita. Saka toda kuti kuna ava vane mweya wavo muno muZimbabwe makasiyana zvimwe zvinhu zvose. Takaona hondokara, tichaona hondo ruviri, ndosaka vana Mnangagwa varipo. Saka toda kuti vakauya kuSouth Africa musashandiswa kuti munonzi ndima vaine problem. Muno takasununguka, vane shuviro yokufunga kuita zvimwe vanoda kuita. Uyai topanda naNigeria dzokuita mabusiness. Zvokutonga zvose izvo ndizvaMwari zviya. Zvazokuti enda kutonga tibeta zamna kuzvina zvakadaro. Vakushe president ndihwa Mwari. Zvinazo kuti kwa unofunga unoda kuita president inema. Mnangagwa kugara pachigaro chavanacho chiyaina navachiwenga kana muhadhi ndizvaidenga iri imwari. Saka iwe usafunga kuti kwaendo unoda kuabvisa unogara azvifi zvokuitika. Kugara paya vakagara vari vatatu vaMnangagwa vachiwenga vamuhadhi ndimwari unozati varipo kusvika 2030. Kuno kumabhizinesi kuno vana Muduvuri kuti zvati kuita izvikuru vari kuvhura na Dr. Auxillia Mnangagwa School of Nursing Muduvuri Pan African Hospital. Ndimwari akatiita. Mwari akatoti Muduvuri ndanoita zvipatara. Izvo ndakunovhura 250 farm area, 150 megawatts solar energy pa 12 estate. 100 megawatts that solar energy. Zvanovhura kuvaka nyika ikwedu. Nyika inovakwa nevenhu vayo. Saka uyai tigare pasi makompleti mabusinessmen kwete kutsvaka mari yokunokonzera confusion. Uyai titsvake mari dzokupa vana vedu vakadzoka kunze uku, vana vedu muZimbabwe tivape mabasa zvatiri kuita isu vana Muduvuri. Pano paMuduvuri Pan African Hospital pakazara vashandi tizere manesi wechikoro, tavhura School of Nursing vanhu vakuita manesi. Zvinonakidza sei? Moda ZANU-PF yababa Mnangagwa vanogona moda kuti vagona kudarika vaita chinyi chamungoti traveling nhasi chii. Vana Muduvuri taone School of Nursing zviri straight kwete zvekubenda zviri straight. School of Nursing yapo Pan African Muduvuri Pan African Hospital iripo zviri straight kwete zvekuti yesu chimukotokota zvakarongeka.
For those interested in participating in this program, don't hesitate to contact us on the numbers shown on your screen. My name is Andrew Neshamba.
Jimi Muduvuri